Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you guys how to round up a number, and to use such function, we have to use this header file include math.h. Make sure you include it in your program whenever you are performing round off functions. So whenever you are rounding number, you always have to use floats. So make a float, and I'll be making a which is equals to 9.8989 something. Now another float b which is equals to 3.3. I'll just keep it simple. And now we have two values. We just print out these numbers first. So printf a is %.2f \n comma floor a. And now the function we need to round off the number is called floor, and only parameter it takes is the float that you want to round. Now no matter what this number is, it's going to round it down to the nearest whole number. Now if you remember in your maths class, if the number is below 5 you round it to 0, but if the number is above 5 or 5 you round it to 10. But here your computer is not smart as you have to give them instruction. So to demonstrate that, we have to function floor for below nearest number, and another one is ceil, which is used for above nearest number. I'll just show you how. So first we complete this part. Copy, paste simply b, and for ceil we just use another printf function. We'll change this value here. For ceil we use ceil. So this is how we use floor and ceil function to round up a number. I'll show you how. If we run this, it prints a is 9, b is 3 for the first floor function. It takes 9.89, the below value, because we used floor, so it prints a is 9, and float b it prints 3, which is below from 3.3. and in another case ceil it prints a is 10, which is above from 9.8989, and in next case ceil b it prints 4, which is above from 3.3. I hope you understand how to round off a number. If you have any queries, you can ask me on comment section. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.